Ever dreamt of creating the future? Imagine being at the forefront of innovation, where your ideas can shape the world of tomorrow. Imagine building technologies that change the world. Picture yourself developing solutions that can revolutionize industries and improve lives. At Sony, they don't just dream it, they make it happen. They turn visionary concepts into tangible realities. Sony's 2024 Computer Vision Internship is your chance to turn those dreams into reality. This program is designed to give you hands-on experience with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just another internship. It's a gateway to a future where you can make a significant impact. This is your opportunity to work on cutting-edge projects alongside brilliant minds in an environment that fosters creativity and innovation. At a global technology leader. Sony is at the forefront of technological advancements, and you can be a part of this journey. From artificial intelligence to data analytics, we are exploring new frontiers and pushing the limits of what technology can achieve. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Join Sony in this exciting venture. Are you ready to push them with us? Your journey to innovation starts here. This internship is tailor-made for ambitious students pursuing their master's or PhD in computer science, data science, or related fields. Sony offer a dynamic hybrid program giving you the flexibility to work remotely or from our state-of-the-art facility in Bangalore. Get ready for a hands-on experience. You'll be working directly with our expert researchers on real-world computer vision projects. Develop your skills, expand your knowledge, and contribute to groundbreaking research. Sony Research India is part of a global network of innovation centers. They're at the forefront of technological advancement, developing the next generation of Sony products and services. Their work spans a wide range of exciting fields, from artificial intelligence and machine learning to image processing and computer vision. By joining Sony Internship Program, you'll become an integral part of this journey, collaborating with some of the brightest minds in the industry. As a computer vision intern at Sony, you'll be involved in every stage of the research process, gaining hands-on experience that is both challenging and rewarding. From data collection and analysis to algorithm development and implementation, you'll gain invaluable experience in a real-world research environment. This immersive experience will allow you to understand the intricacies of computer vision and its applications. You'll be working with cutting-edge tools and technologies like Python, PyTorch, and other machine learning and deep learning libraries. These tools are essential for developing sophisticated algorithms that can interpret and understand visual data. Your work will have a direct impact on the future of Sony's products and services, shaping the way people interact with technology. By contributing to innovative projects, you'll help create solutions that enhance user experiences and drive technological advancements. Are you ready for Sony? Sony is looking for highly motivated individuals with a passion for computer vision and a strong foundation in machine learning and deep learning. You should be proficient in Python programming and familiar with popular machine learning libraries like PyTorch. Prior experience with computer vision projects and a publication record in relevant conferences or journals would be a plus. Familiarity with cloud computing platforms like AWS and tools like Docker is also desirable. Join the revolution. Don't just watch the future unfold, be a part of creating it. The world of technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and you have the chance to be at the heart of this transformation. Apply now for the Sony Computer Vision Internship 2024 and take your first step towards a rewarding career at the forefront of technology. This is not just an internship, it's a gateway to endless possibilities and innovations. To apply, visit Sony's website by clicking the link provided in the description and submit your resume, along with a cover letter highlighting your skills and experience. Make sure to detail your passion for technology and any relevant projects you have worked on. The internship is open to students currently pursuing or who have recently completed their master's or PhD degrees in relevant technical disciplines. This includes fields such as computer science, electrical engineering, and related areas. The internship lasts for 6 months and requires a full-time commitment. During this period, you will work on cutting-edge projects, collaborate with industry experts, and gain invaluable hands-on experience. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to shape the future with Sony. Imagine being part of a team that is pushing the boundaries of what's possible and making a real impact on the world. Apply today and let's make history together. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with fellow engineering students. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting opportunities.